So it's that time of year again, ISA season, when every YouTube channel seems to start recommending the best ISA platform that you need to get investing in this year. Without trying to sound too cynical, one thing I always seem to notice is that there always seems to be a wave towards a new platform, and funnily enough, this often happens to be also offering affiliate referrals to anyone who signs up and a nice kickback to the creator whose link was used. Always something to bear in mind. As they say, never ask a hairdresser if they think you're in need of a haircut. If someone is getting paid to recommend a product, whether that be directly or indirectly through referral fees, etc., it always raises a red flag in my mind. So here's my thoughts on deciding which ISA platform to go with for this year. Basically, it's probably the same one that you already use. Let's unpack this a little. Investing shouldn't feel like gambling. One of my issues with some of these newer platforms is that they seem to be set up to encourage you to trade. Lifetime pricing, a slick interface, and the ability to place trades at the touch of a button on your phone will probably lead to overtrading and ultimately low returns. Jack of all trades, master of none. If you want to do well at something in life, you need to focus. This works for education, career, hobbies, sport, and this is probably true for investing as well. Jumping on the latest bandwagon will often lead to having a random assortment of investments across a number of different platforms, etc. Life is a lot easier when you keep things simple. For me, it's best to choose a sensible strategy and use a tried and tested platform, and focus on getting promotions at work and increasing your savings rates if you want to build wealth, and not trying to save tiny amounts by reducing platform costs to invest in the already super cheap Vanguard product range, for example. What about if I am new to investing? I've left a few links in the description, one of an article from Monovator summarising the best platforms, and also to the Association of Investment Companies platform costs at a glance table. Just remember, there's never a free lunch. If something is free, they are probably making money out of you in some other way. As always, do your own research and don't get too caught up in the nitty-gritty. And, as is often the case when it comes to investing, sometimes the best action is to do nothing.